Hey guys, Sid here, and this is a video in which we are going to talk about the new iOS update, iOS 13. So in the previous video, we talked about the new tvOS and the watchOS that were released in the WWDC 2019. If you haven't seen that, we have links here and in the descriptions. Now, talking about iOS 13, which is the latest update to the iOS, we have some major and welcome changes to the OS this year. First, since we just talked about the extended runtime API in the previous video, let's talk about how that affects the Health app in iOS 13. The Health app got a major overhaul with the app displaying the activity trends for 9 key metrics for the year while indicating whether you are maintaining your fitness or improving or declining. Along with this, there is a new summary view with the health related notifications, favorite metrics to track, and auto-generated highlights using machine learning, how active you are, how much mindful practice you did, or what your heart rate was after a workout, etc. Moving on to more awesome updates. The iOS 13 is faster in a lot of aspects. It has a 30% faster Face ID unlock, 50% faster app downloads, and 60% faster updates, and the app launching time is now 2 times faster. Now that's some major updates there. Moving on, we have the most awaited feature of all time. Yep, dark mode, which has made its way into iOS 13. This dark mode is system-wide, and in all system apps it is also easy to enable and disable from the control panel. Also, now you can force touch the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi icons to change the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi options. The native keyboard on iOS now has a swipe to type feature called Quick Path at last. It is available on all Android devices. Now, when sharing photos, we get the contact of the people in the images on top called intelligent sharing. Safari now has text resizing options per site, and the app also supports text formatting options. The Notes app has a gallery view and folders. The reminder will now automatically decide when to notify you based on what you have typed. You can add locations and photos and also organize the reminders in the top level notifications. There is also an option for most important reminders called Smart List. Another useful feature is that when you are in the Messages app and in chat with a person you have tagged in the reminder, you will be notified about the reminder. The maps also got a redesign with favorite option for frequently visited places and collections to organize or plan a trip. There is also a Google Street View like feature called Look Around and a Junction View in China. There is also real-time estimated time of arrival sharing in one tap. Moving on, there are some updates to the Messages app as well. Firstly, we have the option to share a name and photo similar to the name and the display picture in WhatsApp or other messaging apps. This will only be shared when you send a message to another person. The photo can also be a memoji or an emoji. And talking about Memoji, now the Memoji has makeup, accessories, piercings, teeth, customizations, hairstyles, hats, sunglasses, and even AirPod options. These are also available in Animoji. There is also a new Memoji sticker feature that creates emojis with your Memoji. So now you can use your favorite emojis with your face instead of the general emoji. These stickers are built into the keyboard next to the emojis that are normal, and so can be used in any app that supports emojis. These emojis and emoji stickers are available on any device with an A9 chip or later. There is also updates to the camera and photos, which are very welcome because those are some good updates. The portrait lighting now has a high monochrome mode which gives awesome monochromes. Also has an effect control which is natural and like moving the light closer or farther from the subject, like in a studio. Update to editing allows you to have all settings in a glance. There are new effects, and now we can also edit videos with all these effects and also rotate videos. Now this video editing effects is very awesome because now you can edit professional looking videos and apply all the effects that you apply on photos and get awesome photos through the iPhone directly without the need of any other app. This is very useful for those who vlog, etc., to edit and upload from your phone easily and faster. The photos browsing is also redesigned with days, months and years options, where the best shots with without the duplicates are shown with the help of machine learning. The videos in these sections autoplay. The all photos options is still available. Next we have updates to the privacy of AirPods, HomePods, CarPlay and Siri, about which I will talk in the next video. So if you dislike the video, you know where the button is, but if you liked it, do hit the like button. Check out similar content here and in the descriptions. And while you are down there, do leave your feedback in the comment section. And if you are new here, subscribe by hitting the big red button below and turn on the notifications by hitting the bell icon next to it so that you don't miss this great content. Until next time, peace.